The life form of virtue of Yin Yun. 1. The origin of Yin Yun. Yin and Yun energy sets off from the center of the universe and enters the solar system, carrying the qi of Wuji. It crosses the sky and the galaxies, soars through space, and lands on top of Kunlun on the earth, overlooking all the mountain streams, plains, hills, seas, rivers, and lakes on the earth. 2. The movement of Yin Yun. Yin and Yun energy stretches and coils from the peak of Kunlun along the ridges of the mountains. It goes with the wind, pauses in the water, stays in the ponds, senses with the light, and slowly rises with the rosy clouds. It goes from west to east, south and north, and enters the mountains and the ground along the magnetic veins of the ridges. It crosses the rivers, digs into the soil, and scatters itself in all directions. It indulges in the rivers, lakes, and seas, and visits the 5 oceans and 4 continents. It travels far and wide, night and day, across great distances, and forms the energy fields of all living things all over the earth, as dense as cobwebs. 3. The carrier of Yin Yun. Water is the carrier of the cosmic Yin Yun energy. Water is the unique and outstanding tangible body of Yin Yun in the universe. Water is the flowing reality of the mercy core of Yin Yun in the real world. Water is like the bank of cosmic Yin Yun. Water is like the granary of Yin Yun. The cosmic Yin Yun generates great virtue. Great virtue generates great beauty. The intangible becomes tangible. Space becomes the entity. The entity presents the image. All living things in the universe take water as their medium. Water generates all things. Water nourishes all things. Water cleanses all things. Water gives all things. Spirituality, brilliance, and beauty. 4. The function of Yin Yun. For the growth of all things, the positive pole relies on the sun and its energy. It is the representative of Yun in the universe. It is the staff of cosmic energy. It is the light of cosmic life. For the growth of all living things in the universe, the negative pole relies on the yin water. Water is the soul of all things. Water is the foundation of all things. Water is the soul of infinite kindness. Water is the body of infinite love. Water is the nature of infinite virtue. Water is the shape of infinite beauty. 5. The mission of Yin Yun. Water is the spiritual medium of the universe and the carrier of Yin, as well as the source of all living things. It breeds all things. It nourishes lives. It removes stains and dirt. It is the sea of mercy. It is the food of kindness. It is the image of beauty. It is almighty, all-capable, and full of filial piety. It is like the treasure house of life, the bank of wealth, the home of the spirit, the meditation of reincarnation, the cheerful singing of the universe, and the palace of Yin Yun.